Hello everyone, here is my Lego grandfather clock. As you can see, it has a pendulum. The pendulum has a period of approximately 1 second, and there is an escapement mechanism here. It uses two 40-tooth gears, and because the gears are counter-rotating, the escapement is more or less symmetrical, and the fact that there are two gears helps a lot because they are already offset in phase by half a tooth. The slight asymmetry that you can hear in the clicking arises because only one wheel is driven, so any kind of backlash is the source of this asymmetry. There is transmission here. The transmission reduces the speed so that one tooth of the escapement mechanism translates to 1/1800th rotations of the drive shaft. So the drive shaft makes one rotation, one full revolution every half an hour. The drive to the actual clock mechanism is taken from a gear that spins 3 times faster than the drive shaft, so it has to be reduced again 3 times here, this old style bevel gear, and another 2 times here to make it one rotation every hour. So here it is. There are no non-Lego elements except the weights, which are two 1 kilogram barbell weights. The wheels are from some old Lego Technics racing car, and there are two non-technic but Lego elements. These are these pedals in the escapement. They were taken from one of my daughter's Lego Friends or Lego City or whatever it was. The accuracy is maybe not amazing, but it's down to a few minutes every hour, which seems quite okay for a clock that has been made in 2 days and 2 evenings and only has a running time of about 3 hours before the weight goes all the way down.